everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexia Leanne. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribing and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss anything. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to be showing you guys another tutorial. This time we'll be doing a eyeshadow tutorial, but for the holidays. It'll be a glitter eyeshadow tutorial. I believe I did it in one of my previous videos, but this time I'm going to show you how to do it, how to achieve that look. It's easy to do, simple, but it'll be sure to catch a lot of attention. So if you find this look interesting, keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and did my eye care and how I do that. If you've been a subscriber, you already know how I do that. So today the products we'll be using the Stila, and this is in the color Smoky Storm, and this is Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. And as always, you know, I always think about my people that don't like to spend a lot of money on products. So on one side I'll be using the NYX glitter, and they're about the same color, I believe, but this is in the color Bronze. So let's go ahead and get started and see what we can achieve. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and take care of our eyelids with the colors to kind of make it look more of a smoked out look before we put the glitter on our eyelids. So this palette I'll be using, this is the Naked Urban Decay Honey, one of my favorite palettes. So the color I'm going to be using, starting off for a transition shade, I'm going to be using this color Swarm. And then I'm going to go in with another brush, and I'm going to be using this color Keeper right here, and this is just a little deeper than that. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my flat brush and I'm going to put a lighter color on this part of this eyelid to keep this area clean, and this will replace that glitter. Okay guys, and let's take another fluffy brush and we're going to go in with this color Sting just to kind of smoke it out just a little bit. Right here on this outer corner. Okay, so I got it zoomed up so I really can see this glitter, and like I said, we're going to be using the Stila, and this is the Glitter and Glow, and it is in the color Smoky Storm. So this is the color we're going to be using, and we're going to be using this on the left side. and this is so pigmented, so it really does not take a lot of product. But we're going to put it on the inner 2/3 of our eyelid. Really pigmented. Then I'm going to take just a flat brush so I can really carve that out. And I'm going to bring mine up a little higher since my eyelids aren't really as big. And then I am going to take my Naked palette again. I'm going to go in with that color Sting just to kind of put it in that outer tooth, well, this part right here, to really smoke that out. And I just really want to pack it right in there. And then I'm going to come in with a smaller fluffy brush just to kind of work with that. And that is really all with this smoky eye look. I'm just going to fix it just a little bit more to just make it look a little more transition. So again, you can just take a little bit more of that product. Okay guys, and I am done with that product on this side. And again, that was the Stila. And look how beautiful that is. Look how simple that is. So now I'm going to start on the other eye, and then we're going to be using the NYX glitter, and this is in the color Bronze. So since my NYX is a loose glitter, I'm going to be using this product right here. It is the NYX Glitter Primer, and it's just going to help hold that glitter into place. So I'm going to just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Really does not take much. That's probably more than what I need. I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm just going to put that where I want that glitter to go. Okay, so I have some glitter now, and now I'm going to pack that on this eyelid right here. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to get some of that NYX palette just to kind of get that brown again, to put it on this side as well. And you guys, that product, that glitter, that's not going anywhere. That will last you all night long. And again, I think I'm going to take a little bit more glue. So I can put it right here and do the same thing as I did on the other side. Okay, y'all, and that is this finished look with the eyeshadows. As you can see, they're really much of a difference. Again, this is the Stila side. That was in the color Storm, Smoky Storm. And then on the other side, I just used the NYX and the loose glitter, and that was in the color Bronze. So they both do basically the same thing. They're pretty much the same color, but you can go out with this and feel great. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner, mascara, and some lashes, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. Alright guys, and this wraps up today's tutorial on eyeshadows, especially for the holidays with this glitter. As you can see, I probably still have some fallout on my face, but it's okay because it's okay to sparkle. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to know how I do my brows or my contour, I'm going to link those up above so you can look at those as well. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!